Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Monday.com with guests. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main Monday.com dashboard where you can access all your boards and workspaces. Now take a look at the left panel of your screen. You'll see a list of all your available boards displayed there. Click on the specific board that you want to share with your guests. This could be a project board, a team collaboration board, or any workspace you need external people to access. Clicking on it will open the board and display all its contents on your main screen. Once you're inside the board, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice an invite button located there. Click on this button to start the sharing process. This is the main way to bring new people into your board, whether they're internal team members or external guests. After clicking invite, a search bar will appear on your screen. In this search bar, type the name, team, or email address of the person you want to invite as a guest. Monday.com will start searching through your existing connections and contacts as you type. Once you see the person you're looking for appear in the results below, click on their name to select them. After selecting them, you'll need to wait for the guest to approve the invitation before they can access your board. This approval step ensures that only people who actually want to join your workspace get added. Alternatively, if you prefer a different method, you can use the Invite Members icon, also located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open a slightly different invitation interface. Here you'll see a designated field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type their email address directly into this field. Right beside this field, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to select the access level you want to grant. You can choose between Member, which gives full collaboration rights, or Viewer, which allows them to see the board but limits their editing capabilities. This gives you control over what guests can and cannot do on your board. Once you've entered the email address and selected the appropriate access level, click the Invite button to send the invitation. The person will receive an email notification with instructions on how to access your board. Now, if you prefer sharing via a link instead of sending individual invitations, there's an even quicker option. In the upper right corner, right beside the invite button, you'll see a copy link option. Click on this to instantly generate a shareable link to your board. You can then paste this link wherever you need, whether that's in an email, a chat message, or any other communication platform. This method is particularly useful when you need to share the board with multiple people quickly. And that's it. You've now successfully shared your Monday.com board with guests using multiple methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.